Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lamphere, and I'm going to take you on a quick demo through this Code Combat coding game. So I'm going to go ahead and it'll tell you to just hold down Shift and press spacebar to continue through this dialogue, and I'll kind of tell you the gist of what's going on. So here's the deal. You are a wizard, and our friends are kidnapped and trapped by rogue ogres. So they need our help as a wizard to get their friends free. Got it so far? So again, shift spacebar to kind of get your way through this dialogue, but make sure that you're kind of reading it so that you get an idea of what it is your purpose is. Okay, so then we meet this guy named Theron, and boy is he glad to see us. Okay, so now we need to help Theron by rescuing the rest of his troops. So it's going to show us where to go, yada yada. Okay, so this is where we start to do some coding. This is the path that Theron has laid out for himself, and you can hit, it's going to prompt you to hit play, and it shows you kind of how his path doesn't work. He runs into kind of a dead end here. So now we need to take control of Theron and get him on the right path by putting in the correct code. So we're going to, it's going to prompt you to click on Theron, and now you kind of have control of him. Alright, then what appears over here on your right is the spell editor. So hit Shift spacebar to continue, and it's going to tell you to start here on line 6. So you can either start here on line 6, and actually I think it kind of messes up here. Well, let's see. So instead of, we can see that his move right took him 1-2 spaces too far to the right. So we need to, if you mouse down here, it tells you the different spells we can use to get him back on the right track. So instead of moving another right spot, we need him to move up to go around on this path here. So move right, and instead I'm going to type in this dot move up, parentheses, and semicolon. So you'll notice that you have to type the spell exactly as it appears down here. This is the code that we're producing. So now we have Theron on the right path. He moved up. So now I need him to move up one more time, and then we're going to make him turn right. So this dot move up, parentheses, semicolon. Then he kind of follows along as you're typing in your code. So now I need him to move right. So we'll type in the code for him to move right. And then he's going to have to move right again in order to get him lined up with that hallway. Then we got to have him move down. So again, you are the one putting in the code, directing Theron where to go. Alright, and so now we have him at this move down spot. Then you'll see that there's a spell for this attack nearby enemy. So this helps you to attack any enemy within 12 meters of Theron. So now we type in the code, this dot attack nearby enemy, parentheses, semicolon, enter. Okay. Now it says, alright, yes, we're good to go. Press play to watch. So we'll hit play, and then it follows along as we put our code in for Theron. And you can see that, yay, we attack the ogre, and we kill him, and we win. Okay, so that's kind of how this works, and then that unlocks your next level. So then you'll just move on to the next level. So again, you're putting in the code on the right side of your screen. Check your spells at the bottom that tell you exactly what you need to type in order to get Theron to move in certain directions. Okay, that's kind of a gist. Come back to the classroom now, and we'll answer any questions that you have.